guys, welcome back to What Dee Makes. First of all, thank you to everyone who has subscribed and liked and commented and watched my 2 videos so far. You guys are all incredibly sweet and I am very grateful for your support, so thank you very much for that. So today I've just got a really quick little craft tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to make a cute pair of tassel earrings. It's a really easy tutorial. It took me about 15 minutes to bang these out. And I really like them, they're really cute. They're also very customizable, which is super fun, so I'd love to see it if you guys end up making something similar. So, let's get started.
To make tassel earrings, you'll need small jewellery rings, earring hooks, jewellery wire, and some embroidery floss. I got all of this embroidery floss in one big pack from eBay for like $20 or so. If you're starting out in embroidery, I seriously recommend just buying a big pack like this. You get all the colours at once and it's really cheap. You'll also need some jewellery tools, like a set of pliers and a set of wire cutters. And you'll also need some fabric scissors. To start off, you want to pick the colour floss for your earrings. I'm going to use a turquoise. Start by wrapping the floss around an object. I'm using my phone. You don't have to do this. If you want your earrings to be shorter and thicker, you can just leave them as they are. And if you want them to be longer and thinner, you can choose an object that's a little bit longer. Essentially, your earrings will be about half the length of whatever object you choose to wrap the floss around. Okay, once you've got your loop of thread, you want to cut off a few centimetres and put it aside just for now. So take a few centimetres of jewellery wire and wrap it around the loop of thread. Twist it together to secure it tightly. Do this on both ends of the loop. To make sure you cut the tassels in half evenly, move your loop so the 2 wire pieces line up, and then using sharp scissors, cut the bends of your loop. And there we have 2 little tassel-y things. How cute! Fold the tassel so that the nice side is facing up and any gross twisty bits are underneath. Next, take one of your small jewellery rings and using the pliers, open it up a little and shove it through the wire. Then slip on the earring hook and close up the ring. Finally, take that section of floss we cut off earlier and separate one single thread. Tie this tightly around the very top of your earring near the wire to hold it all together and snip off any extra thread. Do that with the other earring and there you go, you're all done. I made another pair in pink as well, which coincidentally matches perfectly with the lipstick I own. The thing I really like about these earrings is that they're really customizable. You can use multicolored floss, try layering the floss, make them long or short, add beads, whatever. If you do give this a go, I'd love to see what you do. I'm on Instagram at WhatDeeMakes, but also use the hashtag #ShowD so I can have a look.
So there we go. That was pretty easy. Hopefully I will have another video for you guys really soon. I'm in the process of acquiring a whole bunch of dolls so I can do some more doll repaints, and I have a bunch of doll ideas which I really want to get out of my head and onto plastic. So hopefully I can have some more doll repaints for you guys really soon. Until then, I hope you guys have an amazing period of time. Shit. Have a great life, I guess. Until then, I hope you guys have a good one, and I will catch you on the flip.